Welcome to the St. Regis in Mexico City. Wow, look at that. It goes all the way up. All right, so I'm at the gym. I love hotel gyms, and it's one of the things that I personally look for to know how much I'm gonna like the hotel. Let me show you the swimming pool. I hope nobody's in here because they get mad at me. Look at this, oh my gosh. Here is the swimming pool. This is one of my favorite hotels in Mexico City. My name is Nick Gray. I'm gonna give you a tour around here, around the St. Regis inside. Let's go inside and I'll show you around. I'll show you some things that I like. I'll give you a room tour. I'll show you the gym, of course. I'll show you the restaurants. Let's go inside there now. I'm gonna go walk you guys in, and we're gonna go in this way, inside, to go see the St. Regis here in Mexico City. Make sure the street is open. It looks like it's open, so I can cross. Let's go inside here now to the St. Regis. Hello from the spa at the St. Regis. I'm gonna look around and show you some things in here. Let me just show you where I am. So this is the spa, and around here is the sauna. Here is the sauna. I'm gonna open the door and turn the light on. This is the sauna. Now the sauna and the whole spa area is open until 9 p.m. It's open from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. every day. This is the steam room, which you can see. The steam room is also home to the shower. And if you are going to take a shower in the sauna, then you will use this steam room shower. This is a bathroom. I'm not gonna go there. But this is the spa part of the gym that is open to all the hotel guests. So there's some lockers. There's the sauna, which I've shown you already. I love the sauna. And then there's this beautiful view, which I came up here, oh my gosh, and then here's where all the towels are. So this is all the towels and all that stuff. Let me take you out into the gym. Now is probably a good time to do that. We're near the pool, and I will show you this beautiful pool now. There's nobody up here, so it's kind of a perfect time for me to do this. Look how cool this is. Look how beautiful. There are 2 hot tubs. I do not think this one is cold, but I'm going to feel it, because if it was cold, hold on. No, it's simply warm. I guess that is the jacuzzi that's over there. The pool, is it heated? I'll tell you. No, it's not a heated pool, which is fine. I wouldn't want it to be heated because we have the other sauna stuff. Let's see if I can switch the camera around. But here I am inside of the sauna. No, sorry. Here I am inside of the pool, and it's beautiful. You should absolutely come here. Let's keep walking our tour. Down that way is the real sauna, the real spa. Oh, nice selection here, by the way. Very nice. Waters and things like that. But I'll take you down to the gym, and you can see some of the exercise equipment that is available. Some people are, oh my God, do they have a Peloton? No, that's some other bootleg Peloton. But they have some sort of an exercise bike, which I like. They have some other treadmill. Oh, I like that. They've got that. This is the cardio room, as well as some weight stuff. Let me take you into the weights area, and I'll show you. The juice bar. Hola, señor. I'm recording in video. Okay, this is the weights area. This is pretty nice. Look at all the equipment that they have here. This is fantastic. Okay, that's nice. I like that. Here's the free weights. I'll zoom in. Cool. Really nice. Boxing stuff. Also a Pilates. And then over here, wow, I love that they have a bench press. That's great. And then some kettlebells. As well as all of these rope kinesis machines. Kinesis. And then of course this machine, which you've seen at a lot of gyms. This is a fantastic gym and an excellent spa area. Hola. Un momento. So now I will finish the tour and we'll go explore some more areas. Let's go. Hello and welcome to the St. Regis in Mexico City. My name is Nick Gray and I paid for my room. I'm gonna give you an authentic tour of this whole space and where I am. Let's walk around right now, the room. I'm just gonna get into it. I've stayed here twice. This is my second time here. I'm recording this in May of 2023. I hope that doesn't date the video, but they upgraded me. Oh my God, you can see my shorts. Ugh, I was hoping you couldn't tell that I was about to go to the gym. Let me show you a tour of the room. I'll start now. Okay, here we go. I'm walking inside. This is me. Please do not judge my shorts. Do not think. Here's the entryway. Now I have been upgraded to a suite. I do not know if I actually like the suite better than the regular rooms. Mini bar, this is standard. Nothing special here. There's a refrigerator down there. That's the mini bar choices. Let's go into the bathroom because I guess this is part of what is more unique for the suite offerings. How do I turn this dang light on? Well, there's the bath. Now, one thing that I do really like are all the products that they have. I like these products that they have. They do a really good job with all these. There are his and hers sinks. Oh, I like this flower. The flower is a very nice touch. I should have dressed up. I know this, I look like such a nerd, but whatever. You guys know this is an authentic review. Here's the shower, enormous shower. Really good products, by the way. They're still using the Sasha-Juan, which is nice. Is that how to pronounce it? Here is the shower head, as well as up top, it is a rain style shower. Okay, and then as I showed you before, is the bathtub. So if you want to take a bath. Now, the toilet is located over here. This is the bathroom room, okay? I'm not gonna show you because you know what it looks like, but this is the little separate bathroom room. Now, this is what sets the suite apart. We've got two separate rooms. We have this room, which by the way, there's a butler here at the St. Regis. You probably know this, that's one of the best things about the St. Regis is the butler service. And I ordered green tea and they brought me 2 different green teas, which is nice, I guess. I only wanted one. So here's the common area. This is my work setup. I find that at the St. Regis, there's just so much junk. When I come, I would prefer to have a clean surface, but here's the area where I've set up for my work area. I don't find the desk area particularly comfortable. This is the coffee machine, by the way, and the pods are available down here, okay? Now there's no in-room tea that I saw. There was no in-room tea. I had to ask for the butler to bring me this stuff. Let's go into the bedroom. I do love this. If you are here with somebody else, the ability to close this off and have your separate work area and the bedroom as totally closed, I like that. Let's go into the bedroom and I will show you the options. Beautiful bed. I gotta admit that the mattress, there I am again. Hey, my name is Nick Gray, and let me see if I can, hold on, let me do these around. Let me do it like this. Will this turn the camera around? 1, 2, 3. Great, okay, so my name is Nick Gray. I do these videos for fun because I love hotels. And I'm obsessed with staying at really nice hotels all around the world, and I want like an authentic experience. I wrote this book, this is what I do. I wrote this book called The 2-Hour Cocktail Party that teaches you how to host a very well-run gathering. And people hire me all around the world to come and host events for them. And I'm obsessed with it. Check it out on Amazon. It has like 400 reviews. People like it. But that's what I do. So that's my commercial break. Let's go back to this tour of me showing you a tour of this. I'm gonna try to 1, 2, 3. Hopefully that spins around. All right, here's the closet, okay? The closet does have bathrobes. I love seeing the bathrobes, and that's fantastic. It's pretty basic closet otherwise. We have this. the TV area, which is here. Can I just say, I kind of don't like this. It was so hard for me to turn off. Let me zoom in a little bit. Last night, I was like tap, 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 trying to figure out how to turn off all the lights, but that's the setup over here. This you can open for some additional closet storage space. So that is there. This is basically the room though. I don't know what else you want to see. On some of my hotel videos, people always ask me, were there USB plugs? Oh yes, there are USB plugs up on the top of this one. There's no USB-C. At this price range, I would expect a little bit more. Now, I do love that they do have Netflix on these TVs. The Marriott that's on Reforma here in Mexico City does not. This is a nice hotel, and obviously this is super, super nice. And it's the St. Regis level of quality and service that when you call them on the phone, you know that they're gonna be there. What I wanna do now is I wanna take you up to the gym and I'll show you some of the spa. I'll show you around a little bit. Let's go continue. This is the tour of the St. Regis in Mexico City. This is a normal room. I'm gonna show you a non-suite room. We're going into my friend's room and I will show you what these rooms look like. They don't know that I'm filming here, so don't tell them. This is the bathroom, and the bathroom is pretty straightforward. There's the bathroom, double sinks as well. This is the shower, so it's similar to my room with the same fixtures, but what you will notice is that the bathtub is integrated, okay? And so the bathtub is integrated in here, and that is a little bit different. There's none of that. Hello, that's me, by the way. And then as you come into the room, there's a seating area. There's still a workshop. Oh my God, don't let them get mad because they didn't clean up, but this is the room. They have the closet space. We had to request an iron because we're getting dressed up. But this is a normal room, and I wanted to show you how it was different from my suite style room. Now they're up on the 12th floor, and if you remember, I was on the 5th floor, and their view is so much nicer than mine, which I will show. They are on this side, and it's just nice. Anyhow, you're watching this video to see what this hotel has, and you want to see the room, so that's what I'm gonna show you. There's where it's showing the 2 USB ports. People always ask me to show that. They've got a large television over here. You can see I'm set up because I have to do a podcast interview here in a minute, so I'll be working there. Nice seating area. I actually like this seating area a little bit more than in the suite style rooms. These rooms are great. These are beautiful rooms. And it's very nice and it's airy. I forget the exact square footage of this space. One closet that's in there, bathroom there. This door goes to a connection to another room, so it's not accessible. But this finishes, that's this tour of this normal room. We'll see what else. I'll show you the hallway because I haven't formally shown you guys what the hallways look like. These are the hallways. 3 rooms to a pod, so 1, 2, 3. And it goes around in an oval. So this goes back over there, now to an oval. These are 3 of the restaurants that I am going to show you, and I'll walk in. Now these restaurants are located right off of the lobby. Let me show you that here. So as you come up these escalators to the 3rd floor, these elevators, that is where you'll check in down there. This is the main front entrance lobby. And then these are these restaurants. Now, one of the restaurants, oh, look at the cute dog. One of the restaurants is where the buffet is in the morning, and that is right back there. I'm gonna show you, wow, look at the afternoon tea setup. That is very nice. This is a sample display for the thing. There's me now. And so this is the area. Now, first spot I'm gonna show you is La Table Krug. I don't exactly know what this is, but I will show it to you because the entrance area is quite beautiful and it's very nice. I imagine that you could just sit over here and wait. Probably back behind these areas is for the VIP, that's my backpack. But back is there where you can go back into the space. Now this area is the King Cole Bar. I wanna show you the King Cole Bar. I will point at the sign so you can see the King Cole Bar. But let's go inside. I love this artwork. and this painting that is up for the King Cole Bar. I'll show that to you. This hotel is nice. I've stayed at many properties in the Bonvoy Marriott network here in Mexico City, and the St. Regis is probably the most expensive, known as the nicest one. It certainly has the nicest breakfast buffet spread. I wish that they had a club lounge, I will tell you that. I wish they had a club lounge, but the views outside are amazing. ¿Cómo permite sacar una foto?
Oh, just of course.
Okay, gracias. Okay, I'm gonna show you the Diana restaurant now. That's where we're gonna go in. And in the morning, this space is where the breakfast buffet is held. Now, I may have shown it to you before. People are having a meeting over there, but the buffet is all over here. The omelet station is right there. This is the beautiful area of the restaurant. So as you can see, there's many different restaurants that are available. I'll walk out on the balcony to show you what that will look like. Let me show you here. And you can see this nice view. Very nice. Just imagine yourself out here enjoying the very pretty view of Mexico City here at the St. Regis. Super pretty. Well, back over this way is where we walk into the space. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap it up here. And I'm gonna wrap this up. This has been my tour of the St. Regis Hotel in Mexico City. I've stayed here several nights. My sister, her husband, we're all here tonight as a big group trip. I make these videos for fun, just for free. I'm not sponsored, I pay for my room. Can you do me one favor? Just leave a like or a comment. Let me know when you're gonna visit and tell me what hotel should I do next. I'd love to know. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Nick Gray and I love to travel the world. One bonus thing that I forgot to add, when you get in the elevators, they're very slow at the St. Regis. You have to push the close button. Trust me, you're gonna wanna do this. Whenever you get in the elevator, immediately press the close button. Okay, thanks, bye.